What is going on, everybody? This your boy Vlad coming with a quick watch list video. Man, I know I've been on and off with some of these videos, trying to get everything situated because of this coronavirus and this, staying at home thing. So I should be able to start making videos a little bit more frequently. So right to it. This watch list is going to be for March 20th, 2020. So right now, coronavirus stocks, they're still in play. BMRA had a massive run up. It had a breakout. This went from 628 all the way up to 2339. So I think this is in the backside. It's already gapping down, at least by $2 a share. Tomorrow, this would be a short for me. I wouldn't, my strategy is a little bit different, so I wouldn't try to dip buy this. If it does gap down, then yes, it is a short. But for some reason, if it does gap up, I'll still try to short it and play off of the 118s. As far as the risk, try to get as close to the 118 as possible. 8 HPI. I'm looking for this to make its first red day. It had a strong move from the 12. Now it got all the way to 27. It still have room to be able to rip and test this 45 if they do come out with news tomorrow. This could rip, and this could be a potential buy. But if no news, more likely you're going to see either a gap up, then fade, or gap down, then fade. So definitely this would be a short for me tomorrow, depending if they do have news. If they have news, then obviously I don't want to short it as of yet. The next one is APRN. This ticker right here is very frustrating, and once I make my review video at the end of the month, you're gonna find out exactly why. But yeah, for this, looking for maybe a potential gap up, then for this to be a short. So this more likely is going to be a short for tomorrow. NVAX. So there's a lot of tickers. NVAX had 1, 2, 3 green days. Think it's starting to weaken out. So this is a potential short. I did short this today. Made about $1,200 on it. I got short like right around like $12.50, and I was selling I was covering on this dip right here. So this potential short for tomorrow, I think it may start to unwind, depending if it don't have news. Then again, they have this news about upgrading it to the 16s. So whoever is running this may get it up to 16 right before they do the offering. So I'm not in any hurry to just try to short this. But if opportunity present itself, or if it opens weak, then definitely looking to try to short this. APT, I don't see any opportunity unless if they have some news. Same thing for CODX. They're just constantly pumping it with news. The stock that I am in right now overnight, it is NBY. NBY, coronavirus. This thing is up massive, 300% with 53 million in volume. So it rotated nearly twice. It's up pre-market. I'm in at 165. Got in during pre-market. Looking to maybe try to get out around like 250 or low twos, depending, if it gaps up huge. And lately we've been seeing that. Like BURG actually bought this yesterday around 83 cents. Like right around here, 83 cents. I sold pre-market. I didn't wait till the market opened. I sold and had this big move. I got in, didn't sell into this. I sold on the circuit halt. So I actually bought it twice. I bought it yesterday and I also bought it today. But overall, pretty good profits on this. I'm looking for this, maybe another continual leg up. It did finish above $1. So with them, they're currently in non-compliant status with NASDAQ. So they would have to have their shares up above, see for the minimum bid, BURG. So hopefully they could, depending on how it tests the dollar mark tomorrow, if I see a lot of support around $1, then yes, I would be buying and seeing if this may have another leg up. Definitely, I think it may do, especially if they come out with some type of news, and plus they have a merger going on. So a couple of different things going on with that company, but I definitely have an eye on them for tomorrow. And yeah, pretty much those are the tickers on my watch list. And any other ticker that may pop up during pre-market that announce something about coronavirus, because like I said, that's the in thing right now. Tickers that mention coronavirus, especially if they don't have overhead, you will see these things spike 100, 200, 300%. And hopefully, the next day, if you go long overnight, you'll get results like this. Huge gap up. This one, it closed at 197, opened the next day at 351. So yeah, so you see the potential, what's going on, and that was the whole reason why I bought. I forgot it that quick. What is the ticker symbol? NBY. That was the whole reason why I bought NBY. One thing about it, though, they do have a lot of overhead resistance right around here. So I'm not trying to overstay my welcome. Get in, get out, and move on to the next. Hope this video was of value. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and like this video. All right, guys, good night. Let's get ready for the markets tomorrow. Peace.